Hello everyone. Now I'm going to share with you the lesson for Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Okay, here we go. So the lesson from Wednesday, Thursday and Friday is from your language book, page 150, 150, 51 and 52. 151 is about reading and understanding. Circle the correct words. In Charlie's riddle, some, all, none of the questions were about the ABC. Number 2, Chip's answer to Charlie's riddle were in the right or wrong order. Number 3, in Chip's puzzle, all, some, and one of the children walked to school. Number 4, Ken did not have a blue school bag. Number 5, the answer to Charlie's poem puzzle was color, a vegetable, an animal. Number 6, it is easy, difficult, impossible to say, a tongue twister. Which one do you think is correct? To be able to find the right answer, you have to look back to 148 and 149, which is your lesson. Read the lesson again and again and find the answer in 150. Let's come to part 2. Write the number in words. Use the word in the box. Third, eighth, fourth, 10th, 7th, 9th, 1st, 6th, 2nd, and 5th. This is the ordinal number, which means you have to put it from number 1 to 10, but you say it in ordinal number, in order, from the 1st to the 10th. So this is the example. This is the 1st, 2nd. What comes next? You think about it, okay? Let's go, continue to page 151. On 151, you are going to work with words. So you're going to practice your brain a little bit more. Do the crossword. Find the word in the colored square. But before you would be able to find the word in the color square, you have to figure out what are the words from number 1 to number 8, but they also have the clue for you. Number 1, what picture is this? What is this? So you write the word in here. Number 2, what is number 2? What is number 2? Number 3. After you do all of the words from 1 to 8, the word in the box would appear by itself. And you are going to write the answer of the words in the color box in this line. The word is. Okay? Sentence building. When something happened in the past, we use the past tense. We add ed to lots of words to make the past tense. I call. So I call. In present simple, call we spell C-A-L-L. But in the past, when we talk about something that's already happened, we add ed and we pronounce it I called. Okay, say it again. I called. Yep. Next, I walk in the past tense. Sorry, in the present tense. When we talk about past, when we already walked somewhere, we say, I walked. I walked. Some words have unusual past tenses. It changed, which means that it doesn't have, we cannot add ed like this. We cannot add ed like this, but it changed, the word itself completely changed. It is called irregular verb, which is unusual past tense. So when we say I go, in the past tense, we say I went. I go, change to I went. I have, changed to I had. Okay? There are a lot more words that change like this. What are those words? You can have a look into a dictionary to find out what words can change from the present to the past tense. All right, let's go next. Choose the correct past tense. Choose the correct past tense verb from the box. Present tense, we have I see, I run, I say, I ride, I know. The past tense, we have the word in the box. Which words stay in the correct words? For example, I see, when it's a past tense, it becomes I saw. I saw. When you write I saw, please cross the word out, okay? This will be easier for you. When you do something like this, it's easier to cross out the word that you already find, okay? Next, 152. Grammar. So in grammar, we learn about asking questions. Did you go to the castle yesterday? Yes, we did. Did you see the puzzler? No, we didn't. So we are going to learn to ask the questions in the past tense. In the present tense, we say, do you go? This is the past tense of do. So do changed to be did. So when you say, do you go? We ask, did you go? Okay? We do not change the word go to went because we already changed the word do to did. So in one sentence, the past tense, the verb changed only one time, okay? So if the word did is already changed from do, go will stay the same, okay? Yes, we did. When the question asks do, we answer do. When the question asks did, we answer did. It's easy, just remember this rule. Next, ask and answer about the children. Children go castle. So in example, we say, did the children go to the castle? Yes, they did. Yep. So from number 1 to number 6, you're gonna write that in your notebook. And try to give the answer by looking here at the conversations on the top. Or on your lesson, read your lesson again, and you will find out. Yeah? You need to do a lot of review. Next, correct the sentences. Use the words in a bracket. This is a bracket. In a bracket, and this is a word that they want you to use. The word in a bracket. The children went in the blue tower. So what do you say? Correct the sentence by use the word in a bracket. The children went in the blue tower. So they want you to correct by writing this from the past into the present. So this is a past tense. They want you to change the past tense into the present tense. You understand? So I can give you an example. The children went in the blue tower, becoming to be the children go in the blue castle. Okay? So they want you to change the word, the past tense here into the present tense. You understand, everybody? Please write all of the sentence in your notebook. Understand? All right, here we are. Let's talk about your exercise. In your exercise book from page 120, 21, and 22. First one is to read and reading and understanding. Read the puzzle. Write the letter in the boxes and make a word. Can you find the answer to this puzzle? My first is in cat, but it's not in bed. So my first is in cat, but it's not in bed. C, my first in cat. What's the first word in cat? What's the first letter in cat? The first one is C. First one is C, second one is A, and then the third one is T. So my first in cat, but not in bed. Next, my second in rat, but not in mat. So what's the second letter? What is the second alphabet in the word rat? We have A, because R is the first one, A is the second one. So they say my second is in rat, but not in mat. Next, my third is in dog, but not in dig. My third is in dog, but not in dig. My fourth is in cup, but not in duck. In cup and duck, but not in cut. What's the fourth alphabet in duck, in cup, in duck? My fifth is in hot, but not in shut. My sixth is in day and write and read. My seventh is in pin, but not in pen. My eighth is in leg and milk and old. My ninth is in ten and bed and neck. What do you think? Write the answer here. So what's the answer for the word? It's the answer column. So if you got the word crocodile, you see what it looks like. Okay, try your best. Try your best. You read it again and again and again. 2 times, huh? 2 times, guys. My eighth, my third, my first, my second, my third, my fourth, my fifth, my sixth, my seventh, my eighth, and my ninth. Okay? Next, sentence building. When something happened in the past, we use past tense. Present tense, I fall. Past tense, I fell. Match the words and write the letters. Present and past, we have get, drive, run, know, see. In the past, drove, saw, got, ran, and knew. Matching it. Okay, next, fill in the word steps. Past tense of buy is past tense of take, past tense of know, past tense of go, and past tense of tell. And then use the past tense word in the sentence of your own. So you use these words. They give you these words, came, brought, wrote, and said, for you to make your own sentence out of these words, okay? And then the last one is page 122 is a grammar. Look at the picture. Write the questions about picture and remember the question mark. We have the word have, write, take, go, and look. So looky here, use the word in the box and to write in here. Correct this sentence like an example. The children went to the beach. The children did not go to the beach. So you look in the picture and look at the word, the sentence. The children went to the beach. Is the children go to the beach? Did they go to the beach? No. So your answer is no, the children did not go to the beach. The children went to the park. Did the children go to the park? Yes or no? Ben had an ice cream. Look at the picture. Where is Ben? Did he have an ice cream? Yes or no? Next, Ben and Nina looked at the donkey. Look at the monkey. Is that right? Where is Ben and Nina? Did they look at the monkey? So make sure to do this and ask your parent to private message to me about your work. Okay, guys? Thank you, everybody. See you next time.